ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ban pun sngo tho ye ki khna school ye ka jing corridor jong ka kot ka khia ka National Health Mission jong ka District Medical and Health Officer Ribhoi District ringkat ka jing snok tilang ban ka District Mission Coordinator District Unit SSA SEMAM kila penlong ye ka District Level School Health and Wellness Ambassador Program kabalalong hanong po Yagani ka program la pilipat ba de Deputy Commissioner jong Ribhoi District ka kong Rosita M Kurba harangkat ka jing don lang jong Joint Director ka District School Education and Literacy uba VS Nongbet ka District Medical and Health Officer ka Dr. Mary Emle ka District Nodal Officer ka Dr. Alishas Em kinong hikay lembat ki khana school Yagani ka program ka bakerpang la shimkhia ban patray kam ling ba ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare da ka jingya tray lang bat ka Ministry of Human Resources and Development.
So this program is very important, especially in our entire district. We face a lot of problems in school, especially in achieving the target. We are not moving ahead, say in math and science, we are lag behind. So I think that this program, you have got a training, especially from the teachers, as a health and wellness ambassador. So this training, you have to motivate children, so that our children, they will not scare anymore in mathematics and science. So this year and last year also, we have not seen that our students from the district will achieve 100% or maybe 90% of in math and science. But this year I am very happy. Two children they have scored 100% in physical health and education. So maybe they are physically fit. So this is very important. It is our teamwork from education department and also from the health department so that we can achieve the target. We know that health is very important. And every time we used to talk in school, children, they need to be physically and mentally fit. Why we have to say this? Right? Because without good health, in good condition, our children cannot concentrate. That's why we have a lot of programs. We have a nutrition, we have a midday meal, so we have also a tobacco-free education center. A lot of programs we have done. Our motive for education is that to improve the learning outcome of our children so that they can shine up, so that they can score a very good mark.
We are the first district who has completed the training of the principals, the ambassadors, right from class 6 to class 12, whereas other districts are still going on with their trainings, and so it is a big privilege for our district to have this program, to be the first district to have it launch it here. And just like Mahatma Gandhi has said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And that is the motto of all of us who are here. Our main purpose is to add value to the life of others. If we are teachers to our students, if we are health workers to our patients, and in various professions that we are in, our main motto in life is to add value to the life of others. So this program also is a program that has been specifically planned to help our children, to help our students get that holistic life and to prepare them for that future, to follow their million dreams with the help of those who are equipped to help them.
We really understand that there are so many deadlines, and at the same time we are adding on to your burden by giving you another assignment, so to say. And this assignment, I would say that is the most important assignment besides your normal duties. And we are very much concerned that we always talk that all the departments in the government are usually working in isolation. But coming to Ribhoi, looking at the situation that we are in, we are an aspirational district. We aspire to be better, to be like other districts, even within the state. Okay? Aspirational district means that we are lagging behind. So that's why it gives us this other kind of methodology, the way to work forward for each one of us. All the departments, I'll tell you, in Ribhoi district, we work as a team. And that's why you have heard what Dr. Alisha has mentioned, that we have been able to train those teachers right from class 6 to 12. Right? Whereas in other districts, the target is being given only from 9 to 12. So you can understand the importance that the government is giving to Ribhoi, and especially when we go and assess, like what Dr. has just mentioned, that when we assess the math and science performance of the student, we are lagging behind. Even when the Niti Adiog CEO sir has visited our district, we had a conversation with some of the teachers in Sidon village. Over there, he has mentioned one thing: learning outcome. You know, we are not following up with the learning outcome of students. At present, training is still going on for the teachers to evaluate how much the student has learned. You know that right from KG till class 10, there is a syllabus. Okay? How much a student has learned for a specific class within a specific, specific timeline, specific lessons. We really have to push ourselves, not only the heads of the district here, but also the students, the teachers, the parents. Because we need to work together to ensure that our students are doing well. And today, more so, we are talking about health. This program is about health and education, the impact of health on education. You see, what happened is, we find that most of our children are undernourished. They're not having proper balanced diet. Maybe they don't know the correct pattern of eating. Most of the time we have noticed in our district over the last 3.5 years, we always talk why are our children having morning breakfast only plain rice with red tea. This is a concern for us. I'm telling you, this is a concern for us because from what I understand from the doctors, they say that red tea immediately kills all the nutrients of whatever food that you eat. So this program, this popular program which we are launching today, it's a very important program for our district so that we are able to guide the students. The students will go back home and teach their parents. You know, it's a full circle. It's a full circle. So we need to teach and learn from each other. And this program, the collaboration of two departments here will really change the life and the performance of our students. We know we always say that they use the students and all the young ones